Okay, it's story time. So this is a hydraulic plate shear or hydraulic shear. You can see in that clip there a minute ago, we're using cribbing and a hydraulic bottle jack to get it up off the ground and get it situated onto some machine skates. So needed to get it out of the factory to the door, and the door was a dock height door, not a ground level door. So that made things a little bit more interesting. So we've got our friends over here with the hydraulic crane. This is Acton Precast. They're great guys to deal with. Got it all rigged up by those lifting points I showed you earlier. And yeah, we've got 72,000 pound crane lifting it up. You saw that piece of metal fall. That's we got it as far as we could out the door and blocked up on that piece of metal, which was a little sketchy. And then the crane takes over from here. So it was super cool to see it come off the ground like that. And it's just about to land here. And we're going to try and get it up onto the deck of the truck. Also, a huge shout out to my best friend James for coming out and helping me move this, not only one day, but then come back and meet the crane too as well. Really appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. So we're back now at the shop. It's nighttime, as you guys can tell. It is wintertime here, and it is raining. So we're trying to get this thing inside. And with the help of the knuckle boom crane, it was pretty straightforward. So we're getting it into the corner here. Just taking some rough measurements to see where it's going to live, because it's going to be really hard to move otherwise, right? Gord, the crane operator, was awesome to deal with. So we're putting some steel plates and then some plywood underneath it. A first piece of plywood and then a piece of steel plate. I cut those out on the plasma table, and because my floor is compacted asphalt, just to try and help with getting it all situated there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little clip. I'm looking forward to the springtime to get this thing going and showing you guys what it can do. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.